Joining me, Senior Superintendent of Police, Handwara, Mushtaq Ahmad Chaudhary Sahab. Chaudhary Sahab, pleased to have you on Kashmir News Service. Your time is very precious, so I would keep my conversation very short. So I would begin by saying that Jammu Kashmir Police every year organizing series of events just with an aim to have a strong relation between public and police. So you have a charge of Handwara division. Why do you see a relation between police and public in Handwara division?
I think there is an excellent relationship between police and public in Handwara, and I appreciate the civil population, the public of Handwara town as well as Kralgun town. They are very cooperative and they are exceptional people and they are beautiful people. We have very good relation.
So after militancy, there is a major challenge, that's drugs. So what are being steps being taken as of now, and what is the status of Handwara division in terms of drugs right now?
See, you must have listened yourself what people were saying about the drugs during this interaction. As far as the legal actions are concerned, they are being taken regularly, and we are sure that our aim is to free this Handwara from the drugs completely.
So my final question would be, yesterday we were celebrating Women's International Day. So we have observed that Handwara police in recent time have reported couple of domestic violence cases, and we believe that all of the cases are not getting reported to police because we have a conservative society and other things. So what are your mechanism you are opting at the moment so get every case of domestic violence reported to police station?
By your medium, I would like to tell the people of Handwara that in every police station we have a women help desk. The women are free and they should be encouraged to come to the police stations with their grievances, and our job is to investigate the complaints or verify the complaints as per the law and to book the accused person as per the law.
कोई खास पैगाम हंदवारा के लोगों के लिए?
My only message for Handwara people is, please save your generation from the drugs and be vigilant, be cooperative with the police. Secondly, new criminal laws are in force and various camps are being organized at every nook and corner. Please attend those camps and get benefited of these new criminal laws, because the new criminal laws are people friendly and the people should know and take the benefit from out of it.
Thank you so much. So this was the Senior Superintendent of Police Handwara. She said that in view of new criminal laws, we are organizing a number of camps, so people should attend these camps to know about the new criminal laws. I'm Sajjad for Kashmir News Service, Srinagar.